With its squared proportions and simple form, the beloved Ford F100 is certainly a standard in the street rod world. And the baseline for notable F100 builds is a solid lowered body that wraps wet look paint around a small Ford V8, big wheels, and an upscale custom interior. The question then becomes, what happens when someone takes that standard, meets the baseline, and showers both with buckets of money and innovation? You get a national award-winning custom like this mind-blowing pickup. Since beginning its career as a show queen, this clean 55 F100 hasn't seen much road time, so its custom DuPont base coat clear coat finish is virtually flawless. The truck's gold and silver graphics, which were inspired by a vintage drop top the builder remembered seeing as a kid, are timeless and well done. Of course, fit and panel alignment is as perfect as such a thing can be. Inside, a tasteful ultra-leather interior mixes custom style with retro class. A billet-trimmed dash hangs bright autometer gauges above controls for a vintage air climate system. The custom seat wears a supple red cover that's trimmed in contrasting black piping. And the driver spins a polished and half-wrapped Billet Specialties steering wheel on a tilting column. Unfold the hood and you'll find a 32-valve dual overhead cam Lincoln InTech V8 that's characterized by miles of smooth thrust. That fuel-injected engine is backed by a 4-speed overdrive transmission and a Ford 9-inch. With silky power and killer aesthetics, this incredible Ford will turn heads everywhere it goes. Step into the street rod spotlight in a world-class custom. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.